The FosPower A1 has earned its place as a true fan favorite in the emergency preparedness community, mainly thanks to its reputation for being extremely compact, lightweight, and highly affordable. It is often praised for its immediate portability, fitting easily into a glove compartment or small day pack, and for its dependable, quick-access NOAA weather band reception. However, the trade-off for this small size is a significantly smaller 2000 mAh battery. This capacity provides enough juice to keep the radio running and the built-in light shining, but it severely limits its ability to effectively charge modern smartphones or tablets. It's important to see the FosPower A1 as an excellent backup tool, a simple grab-and-go device for quick weather updates and light rather than a main power source for multiple devices during an extended outage. Its affordability and high-quality build for its size make it an accessible entry point for basic emergency readiness. But users should be mindful of its minimal phone charging capability. At number 8, the Vokida emergency radio. The Vokida emergency radio enters the list packing an incredibly large 10,000 mAh internal battery, setting a high bar for power capacity right out of the gate. This model isn't just a radio, it's practically a comprehensive survival grab bag. Alongside the expected features like a strong flashlight and a versatile reading light, Vokida has included unique extras like a thermal blanket and a small survival bracelet, making it a versatile tool for immediate crisis situations. While the sheer number of included components is impressive, potential buyers should note that the efficiency of the solar charging panel and the long-term durability of the plastic casing haven't yet been fully tested against more proven, industry-standard models. It is an excellent choice for those who prioritize maximum included accessories in a single, budget-friendly package, but those looking for rock-solid, proven reliability in sustained, harsh conditions might want to keep reading. At number 7, the Leaton emergency radio. Sliding in at number 7, the Leaton emergency radio also boasts a substantial 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, matching the raw power capacity of the Vokida but refining the feature set for practical emergency use. This model enhances situational awareness by integrating a useful compass for navigation and a critical SOS alarm for signaling assistance. The standout feature is its powerful 48 LED reading lamp, which casts a much broader and brighter illumination than standard single LED lights, making tasks like reading maps or first aid much easier in the dark. Furthermore, the unit is designed with a splash-resistant exterior, adding a layer of protection against light rain or accidental spills, and maintains a compact, easily portable form factor. When directly comparing the two 10,000 mAh options, the Leaton feels like the more polished and practical device, focusing on better lighting and clear emergency signaling over less essential survival trinkets. Its triple lighting system offers superior utility when off-grid. At number 6, the Raynic emergency radio. The Raynic emergency radio shines with an emphasis on versatility and exceptional reception. While its 5,000 mAh battery is smaller than the higher capacity models, it compensates by offering an industry-leading 5 different charging options, including solar, hand crank, USB-C, and traditional AA batteries, ensuring you can power it up no matter the circumstances. Crucially, the Raynic provides broad radio coverage, pulling in AM, FM, shortwave, SW, and NOAA weather channels, giving access to both entertainment and vital emergency alerts from various sources. The inclusion of a handy LCD display makes tuning and monitoring battery status much easier and more precise than purely analog dials. This radio is clearly designed for users who prioritize reliability, superior sound quality, and clear, versatile reception across multiple bands. If your primary need is a dependable communication hub rather than just a portable power bank, the Raynic's enhanced usability and robust signal processing make it the smarter and more reliable choice at this mid-list position. At number 5, the FosPower A1 emergency radio. In an emergency situation, possessing a reliable, multifunctional solar-powered radio is critical. It can be the vital link to weather alerts, news, and critical instructions when standard communication methods fail. We've compiled a detailed ranking of the best solar emergency radios available breaking down their power, durability, and features to help you select the most effective tool for your preparedness kit. From budget-friendly choices to heavy-duty powerhouses, at number 4, the hand-cranked 10,000 mAh radio. Generic. The generic hand-cranked 10,000 mAh radio is a compelling budget option, offering a strong battery life and clear audio output that belies its lower price point. The sheer size of the 10,000 mAh power bank is a major selling point, providing extended runtime for the radio, the integrated flashlight, and sufficient power to recharge a standard smartphone several times. Its acoustic performance is surprisingly good, delivering clear, static-free sound for emergency broadcast. However, the radio's primary drawback is its construction. It relies heavily on a plastic build that lacks the rugged, reinforced edges and seals found on more premium, durable models. This relative fragility means it may not stand up well to drops, extreme temperatures, or prolonged exposure to the elements, unlike its competitors. While it functions exceptionally as a budget powerhouse with great sound, its lack of ruggedness and lower-grade construction hold it back from being a true all-weather emergency contender. At number 3, the QAUYYW emergency radio. The QAUYYW emergency radio represents a significant step up in terms of sheer endurance and protection. This radio is built like a tank, featuring a massive 20,000 mAh internal battery, which is double the capacity of many top competitors, and guarantees long-lasting power for all its functions, light and external device charging. For those who anticipate use in severe weather or demanding environments, the radio boasts an impressive IPX6 waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand powerful jets of water and heavy rain without issue. This high level of protection makes it a truly reliable outdoor and survival tool. It does lean towards simplicity with its analog-only tuning, which some may find less convenient than digital displays, and its large battery capacity contributes to a heavier overall weight. Nonetheless, for users who prioritize maximum operating time, robust weather protection, and undisputed endurance, the QAUYW absolutely dominates the field and is ideal for serious extended emergency preparedness. At number 2, the Eoxsmile emergency radio. The Eoxsmile emergency radio is a masterclass in balancing key features and user-friendliness, making it an excellent all-around choice. It comes equipped with a dependable 5,000 mAh battery, which strikes a perfect balance between power capacity and manageable weight, ensuring you get several phone charges without the bulk of the larger models. The unit supports multiple power options, including solar and hand crank, to guarantee operation regardless of external power sources. A key feature is its automatic NOAA alert function, which ensures you are immediately notified of severe weather without constantly monitoring the broadcast. It's praised for its compact size and intuitive interface, making it easy for anyone to pick up and use instantly during a stressful situation. While it is highly practical and reliable, it lacks the extreme ruggedness and IPX-rated waterproofing of the QAUYW, nor does it offer the colossal battery life. This means you can actually watch, re-watch, or repeat all of your cease and desists at appropriate and barely audible rating for your own bidding, nor does it offer the colossal battery life. It is the perfect choice for the average household looking for a dependable, compact, and feature-rich device. At number 1, the RunningSnail emergency radio. The RunningSnail emergency radio takes the top spot in the category of best overall value and budget performance. Despite its modest price point, it provides an exceptional suite of features and consistent performance, anchored by a reliable 4,000 mAh internal battery. The feature set is particularly thoughtful, including a motion sensor reading lamp that conserves battery power by only activating when movement is detected, a powerful SOS siren for signaling, and highly consistent NOAA and FM reception for reliable access to information. It consistently delivers an outstanding blend of quality and functionality for the price. While it may not possess the extreme waterproofing or the sheer feature count of the premium contenders, the RunningSnail is built solidly enough to handle general emergency use. For most people, this radio provides the highest return on investment, delivering all the most critical emergency functions reliably without breaking the bank. It is quite simply the unbeatable choice when balancing cost, feature set, and operational consistency. The selection of the best emergency radio ultimately comes down to your specific preparedness priorities. If maximum value is your single greatest concern, the RunningSnail emergency radio is the clear budget champion, delivering outstanding performance for the price. However, when considering the comprehensive package, including raw power capacity, overall durability, and essential features for extended outages, the QAUYYW emergency radio secures the ultimate victory. With its massive 20,000 mAh battery, robust IPX6 waterproofing, and guaranteed endurance, it represents the most complete and reliable investment for serious emergency preparedness